Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss a burning question. Can guys make money on OnlyFans? We'll explore the challenges, opportunities and alternatives to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. And let's get started! Before we dive into the possibilities, let's talk about the challenges men face on OnlyFans. The stigma and social judgment attached to men in sex work or promoting their sexuality online can be daunting. Society's views on masculinity may create a sense of shame or embarrassment, which can be a significant hurdle to overcome. By the way, if you want to learn about OnlyFans stigma, just click the link somewhere here. Another issue is the limited audience. OnlyFans is a platform primarily used by a woman, meaning men have a smaller pool of potential subscribers compared to female counterparts. Finally, there is the competition. Men on OnlyFans may face more competition due to the smaller audience and the fact that they are not the primary demographic on the platform. Now, let's consider an alternative: managing female content creators instead of creating content yourself. By taking a percentage of the girls' earnings in exchange for managing their pages, you can potentially earn a steady income. This approach requires strong communication skills, particularly in private messaging. Additionally, as a manager, you can find and manage several girls interested in working with a manager, thereby increasing your income potential. However, it's crucial to treat the creators you work with professionally and with respect. This is a partnership, not exploitation. The ultimate solution to these challenges may lie in launching your own site like OnlyFans using Scrile Connect. This platform offers many advantages, including custom branding, which allows you to create a unique and customized experience for your audience. Running your own site also gives you full control over your content, without having to worry about platform restrictions or guidelines. Plus, you get to keep 100% of your earnings, which can lead to higher earning potential over time. Moreover, having your own website allows you to build a direct relationship with your fans. You can communicate with them directly, offer special deals or discounts, and build a loyal following that supports you in the long term. So, can guys make money on OnlyFans? The answer is yes, but it's important to weigh the challenges and explore alternatives to maximize your potential. Whether you choose to manage female creators or launch your own site with Scrile Connect, there are opportunities for men to thrive in this industry. Remember, your success will depend on your creativity, determination, and ability to adapt to ever-changing online landscape. If you're interested in learning more about Scrile Connect, check out the link in the description down below. And see you soon. Bye!